Is that distracting?
Yeah, a little bit.
Hey guys, it's Kyle from MAPerformance, and today we're gonna turbo this fucking thing. You're watching a master at work. Step one complete, intake out. OEM fan setup is not it as far as turbo placement goes, so I'm going to preemptively take all this stuff off. We know from our previous gen turbo kit that the OEM fans are just a little bit too big to give us the room for the turbo kit, so I'm going to start by removing some of the stuff that would be in the way while we're still top, and then once we take the manifold off, I can get this bar out of the way and then get this fan fully removed. Alright, I guess just put it up in the air. Start taking the manifold off. Now I've got the manifold pretty much prepped to come out. I just need to disconnect the O2 sensors, and then I'm going to lower the car down while I do that because it's easier from up top, and then pull the bumper off while I'm at it. Wheel. Too late to turn back now. Ooh, out. Oh my gosh, it's a tight squeeze. You would think this thing would just come straight up. Well, of course, that's what it is. Yeah, it's over here. Luckily, coolant hoses are flexible. Out. It's the radiator fan out. The exhaust is disconnected. The crash bar crossover is out. Now all I have to do is take the 6 bolts out of the manifold, lower it down, and then we can install our turbo manifold. graceful. So this is our Gen 1 turbo kit manifold for the BRZ FRS GT86 platform. Today we're just going to do a little bit of a dry run test fit, taking what we know from the Gen 1 kit and seeing if that also applies to these Gen 2 cars. We're gonna go tell Charlie we need a turbo. What do we got here? What do we got here? What's in the box? What's in the box? 7675? T4 flange, 81. I mean, this would make some jam. Might be a little too much though. 5.8. Now, well, what is? Hold on. T3. Yeah, your job's done. Thanks, Devlin. Now we gotta make a decision. We want a 6262 or we want a 5.858 because they're both the same. Yeah, one of these is a ball bearing. One of these is. Well, they're both ball bearing. V-band outlet. Now decisions need to be made.
5.858.
That's the more sensible option. We're gonna grab.
We're all about sensibility.
We're all about that. This is a Precision PTE Gen 1 5858 ball bearing with a T3 inlet and a V-band discharge. This
should fit perfectly.
This should fit perfectly.
This seems like it's fitting really well.
Just a little stinker. Good for like 500 wheel. Without even like clocking this how it should be, so obviously the outlet of the compressor is pointing towards the radiator, but like little poke there. And this thing fits actually pretty good. I guess we could try it with a slightly larger turbo, but like I presume a 5858 or whatever similar turbo that you would put on one of these cars with like a stock, like a bone stock car, this would probably get you to where you'd be really comfortable. And maybe the 6262 footprint isn't that much larger than this, so I think it would also fit with relative ease. I guess the only thing that's a little tight is over here, the downpipe definitely has to snake through. So I mean, potentially could move placement a little bit, but you know, just testing a Gen 1 kit on a Gen 2, kind of just throwing it together, I think it fits really good. And there's actually a lot more room for fans than I thought. Like I almost feel like maybe the stock ones could fit with some trimming, but like a good slim fan with a good shroud in here will fit totally fine. So I'm actually really impressed.